move on, viewers, and shift our focus to the latest coming in from Tamil Nadu at this point in time. Some breaking inputs are coming in related to Chief Minister Vijay. And what we have learnt is that Thalapathy Vijay has been meeting allies of TVK after meeting leaders of IUML and the Congress party. Now the latest is that the Chief Minister is at AIDMK leader CV Shanmugam's residence. Now this is interesting because this is coming in at a time when we are looking at open rift in the AIADMK camp. Right now there is a meeting that's going on between Vijay and CV Shanmugam of the AIADMK, the rebel AIADMK leader who has already declared that around 30 MLAs of AIADMK who are with him want to support Vijay's TVK. So this is the latest update that we are getting for you. Earlier we got visuals of Vijay meeting other allies of TVK, and now he's at Shanmugam's residence. Let's go across to my colleague Dharini joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Dharini, what's really happening? Can you tell us a little bit more about this meeting that's currently underway?
Well, let me show you the visuals of, CV Shanmugam's residence over here. Vijay is right now inside this, white color building that we are showing to our viewers on the screens, and there is a huge crowd. We can see people, sitting on the trees. They are sitting on the branches of the trees to get a glimpse of Mr. Vijay, to get a closer look of Mr. Vijay. There is a huge crowd that is standing right outside CV Shanmugam's residence, which is located in the MRC Nagar area. So it's been almost 10 to 15 minutes since Vijay went inside. And the meeting between the CV Shanmugam camp of MLAs and Vijay has been going on for the past 10 to 15 minutes. Now remember, only this morning, CV Shanmugam declared that he and his camp of MLAs, they'll be extending their support to Vijay's Tamilaka Vetri Kalagam in the formation of a government, because tomorrow is a very crucial day for TVK. Tomorrow, the vote of confidence is going to take place in the Tamil Nadu Assembly, and during the vote of confidence, we can expect these rebel ADMK MLAs who are rallying behind CV Shanmugam to either come to the assembly and vote in support of TVK or to abstain from voting. Both of this will be positive for TVK at the end of the day. Both of this will be ending up as a positive development for TVK tomorrow. So we can expect all these rebel MLAs who are behind CV Shanmugam to either vote in support of Vijay in the floor of the assembly tomorrow, or they'll be abstaining from voting, which will end up as a positive development for TVK in either case. But of course, ADMK is at the moment witnessing a vertical split. One section of MLAs under Edappadi Palaniswamy, they do not want to have any sort of relationship with Vijay's Tamilaka Vetri Kalagam. In fact, today in the assembly, OS Manian, who is part of the EPS camp, he held a press conference in which he told that CV Shanmugam camp of MLAs, they are supporting Vijay because they are power hungry. That is the statement that came in from OS Manian. So the vertical split in ADMK is out and wide open for anybody to see, and it remains to be seen how the party is going to figure itself out and how the party is going to revive itself with so many difference of opinions within it. But of course, as far as Vijay is concerned, tomorrow, during the vote of confidence, it looks like Vijay is pretty much in a comfortable position at the moment, because he already has the support of Congress, CPI, CPIM, VCK and IUML. With these parties, Vijay's number stands at 120. That itself is a safe mark. And now many people from other parties, right, like ADMK and the lone AMMK MLA Kamaraj, he is also told that he will be extending his support to TVK. So Vijay seems to be in a pretty comfortable position, and he's been visiting the residences of various political leaders since last afternoon to meet and greet them and to express his thanks to them and to seek their coordination in the governance that is going to be there for the next 5 years under him.
Right. Stay with us, Dharini. More breaking inputs coming in right now. What we have learned is that Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Vijay has spent a